Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Please subscribe to my channel, leave your thumbs up, leave your comments, and please share these videos out. Okay, y'all, there's a hurricane coming again. We ain't even through with the other one yet. This one is Hurricane Delta. It just became a hurricane last night, and it's projected to become a major hurricane, Category 3, maybe 4. As you know, this last one, Hurricane Sally, that we just had was a Category 1, and it tore Pensacola up. I mean, we're still cleaning up from it. So I'm not looking forward to this one. Right now, we're still in the cone of uncertainty, is what they call it. It's too far out to tell, but we are right in that cone. As much as I hate for other people to get it, we just had one. I don't want another one. Pure vodka. No, it's water. I'll save the vodka for Nancy Pelosi. Y'all, on COVID, Kayleigh McEnany, I don't know if I'm saying that name right or not, Chris Christie and Kellyanne Conway has now came down with COVID. Kellyanne Conway has taken it home, and now her daughter is showing symptoms. Y'all, this stuff is not playing around. I see people all the time not wearing masks, or either not wearing them correctly. I seen this person at Walmart the other day. She was not wearing a mask, so I gave her the usual Walter stink eye, you know. But then I seen it. I seen her mask. It was hanging off of her arm. A lot of good it's doing there. If you're not wearing a mask when you're out in public, it's simple. You're an idiot. Put on a mask. Sweetheart, it's not about you. It's about saving lives. Put on a mask. Y'all, we will never get this thing behind us if people don't put a mask on. It's very easy. It only takes 2 seconds. Donald Trump. We all seen the president. He took a joyride out of the Walter Reed Hospital to wave at his supporters. Y'all, he's getting a lot of hate for doing that. People are saying he could be giving COVID to his Secret Service by doing this. Did everyone see that President Trump and all the Secret Service was wearing their mask? The CDC says mask stops the spread of the virus. And y'all, you and I, we get our masks from the drugstore or Walmart or wherever. President Trump and the Secret Service didn't get theirs from Walmart. They got the very best money can buy. He did go home from the hospital yesterday. And again, people are bashing him for that. With COVID, after you start the meds, and you know he's got the very best meds available, and he's got the very best doctors available. Now he's at the White House, and he's quarantined in his quarters at the White House. There's certain rooms that he can and can't go in right now. And on the other hand, everybody in the White House knows there's COVID in the White House. They all should be wearing masks and gloves when possible. Y'all, I know at the White House he has a very good doctor at his beck and call. He has the very best drugs. he's probably got the very best ventilator on standby in case he needs it. I would bet anything that he is better off in the White House than he is in the hospital. And I'm going to tell you why I say that. When my wife was in the hospital, she was put in the ICU unit. Well, guess what they're using the ICU unit for? You guessed it, COVID. She was the only person in the unit that didn't have COVID. Now, granted, all the rooms in the unit is zero pressurized, so they can't spread it around. But the same doctors and nurses goes in those COVID rooms and then comes out and goes to common areas or either to other patients' room that don't have COVID. They tested my wife every day for COVID when she was in there, but she was the only one that didn't have COVID. I'm just saying that because you have a very good chance of catching COVID when you're in the hospital. So he's better off in the White House than he is in the hospital. Everyone is better off at home than they are in the hospital right now. That's why when you go to the ER, a lot of times they don't want to admit you. And they tell you, if it's not real emergency, don't come to the ER. Okay, Pelosi. Nancy Pelosi is once again holding up progress on stimulus talks. We had a good outlook on the stimulus package last week. It looked good that it was going to be passed over the weekend. The bill had a price tag of around $1.9 trillion. Then Crazy Nancy sent in another proposal with a new price tag of $2.2 trillion. Now, yesterday, Steve Mnuchin counteracted her proposal by shaving off $492 billion. Crazy Nancy once again said no. She said, do not cut my state and local government funding and do not cut my unemployment. On unemployment, she's wanting $600 per week. The Senate is okay with giving $400 a week. They're not happy with it, but they're okay with it. So therefore, if she can get $400, take it. You may not get nothing. Now Mark Meadows is wanting to piecemeal the stimulus package for the airlines. And that would mean for us nothing. And we know Nancy Pelosi is not going to go for a piecemeal. She said it before. She did renege on that and make a piecemeal, but I don't see her doing that again. Stimulus checks. Stimulus checks are safe. Everyone is in agreement on the stimulus checks and the amounts. But all of this fighting back and forth is just holding it up. Y'all, right now, the stimulus checks are $1,200 each, and they are for all filers. Whether you got it last time or not, you will get it this time. If you had back child support and didn't get it last time, you will get it this time. If you had outstanding bills and someone garnished your check last time, you're still going to get it. They can't garnish it this time. It's going to be $500 for each dependent, and that's all dependents. You know, last time adult dependents didn't get it. Well, they will be getting it this time. SSI, SSDI, and Social Security, railroad benefits, they all will be getting this stimulus check when it's passed. We don't know when it's going to get passed, but when it does get passed, they all will get it. Someone asked me about the IRS. They ask, if you owe the IRS back taxes, will you get the check? Y'all, I simply don't know that. I've never heard anything about that. You might want to call your local IRS office and ask them about that. I do know that if you do owe the IRS, it don't matter the amount. In years past, I owed them quite a bit of money. They took $25 a month, and I paid $25 a month for a couple of years until I got the money up to actually pay them off. So they just want their money. They don't want to cause you any hardship. They don't want to put you in prison or nothing like that. They just want their money. And if you make an effort with $25 a month, they're normally good with that. Y'all, I have an announcement here. I will be backing off on the money videos every day. You know, the ones at 9 o'clock. I'm just not getting the amount of views that I need for those, and it's hurting my channel. It's hurting my channel big time with the algorithm of YouTube. So I will be backing off of those. I'm not quitting them. I'm just not going to be doing them every day. I still will be posting the stimulus videos every day. And by me not doing the money videos every day, that frees up time for me, and I can probably make these videos better. I know there's a lot of good people out there that says my videos are good and I'm the only one they watch and all that kind of stuff, and I appreciate that from the bottom of my heart. But really and truly, I am not happy with my videos. I know I can do better. Y'all, please subscribe to this channel. Leave me your thumbs up. Check out my links below. I've got stun guns, pepper spray, and tactical knives. My course is doing very good. It's doing phenomenal. Much better than I ever dreamed it would. And everybody seems to be liking it. If y'all want in, you can still get in. The link is in the description box below. Y'all, I will have another video at 12 today. I will not have that 9 o'clock video, the money video, and I just told you why. I hope you understand. When I do have them, I will let you know that they're coming. That way you can be sure and not miss them. But they won't be every day, okay? Y'all, please watch the video that's popping up here on the screen right now. It would help me out tremendously. If you've already seen it, please let it start playing and walk away and get you a cup of coffee or something. Just help me out with the play. Y'all, please subscribe to my channel, leave your thumbs up, leave your comments, and just know I love you all, and I will see you at 12 o'clock today. Ciao.